Hello students, for the standard 6 we are going to see the poem The Wonderful Words. Imagine a word without language students. Humans speak at least one language. The words we speak bring out our thoughts. Read the following poem on words. Wonderful word. The name of our poem is what? Wonderful words. So we'll see students. Never let a thought swell and die for want of a way to say it. This is a new word. For English is a wonderful game and all you can play it. All that you do is match the words to the brightest thought in your head. So in your head you will get what brightest thought students. So that they come out clear and true and handsomely groomed and fade for many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. Words are the food and dress of the thought. They give it food, its body and swing. And everyone's longing today. Longing means wish students. Today to hear some fresh and beautiful things. But only words can free a thought from his prison. You know that prison. Okay. Behind your eyes, maybe your mind is holding now a marvelous means newly, okay, by surprisingly new surprise. This poem is written by Mary O'Neill. So some of the words it will come in your mind if you read this what English language about the English here is what is spoken by the poet, okay. So write the hard words, okay, and see next page what is written students. We are going to look. With your partner, complete the following sentence in your own words using the ideas in the poem, students. And do not let what throw thoughts shrivel and die, because this complete the sentence, students. Easy part it is. In group of 4, discuss the following lines and their meanings. You are going to find out the meaning. This 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll see next page, students. See now. With your partner complete. Do not let what thought shrivel and die because for want of a way to sit. English is a dead dash with words that everyone can wonderful game play. One has to match to the brightest thoughts in your head. Words are the food and dress of thoughts. Okay. In group of 4, discuss the following lines and their meanings. In all that you do, it is match the words to the brightest thoughts in your head. The poet says that you only have to select words to express your thoughts present in your mind. Okay, to the brightest thought in your head means you should present your words. For many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. It means students, the poet encourages what? Poet encourages readers to convert their thoughts. You have to convert your thoughts into words, speak them as these are loveliest things that never yet been said. The words which we didn't say till now, you have to express yourself. And everyone longing today to hear some fresh and beautiful things. This meaning is here given to us. All the people are listening to the same thoughts. To everyone is excited to hear some new things to speak your thoughts brilliantly, intelligently. You have to speak your thoughts. All are not so new one, but you have to fit it newly. But only words can free a thought from its prison behind your eyes. This meaning is given here. You have thoughts in your mind, but it's in prison behind your eyes as you never try to express. Your minds are prison. Like prison means you have what kept in your mind only. You need to free thoughts by giving them words. You have to keep it in your words, students. So this way you have to express your own words. Okay, students. What your hidden thoughts, your hidden views, whatever you are thinking. Okay, so this only one page you are going to write this exercise, and as well as this poems what hard words near about 2 pages you have to write in your notebook and write in good handwriting, students. So read it, students, 2 times.